All right, this is 6/15, June 15th. We're at the country dance night. We just learned a little two-step. This is how our basic two-step will look. Go ahead, basics. You guys can go ahead, just do the basic, and then I'll call out the next one after that. Very cool. After our basic, we had a full turn. Yep, whoops, watch out, there you go. Go ahead and give us a full turn there. You can start on the slows or start on the quicks. That's your own preference. Get everybody good and dizzy there. Awesome. And then after our full turn, we had our turn changing to a hand change, a handshake. Yep. And then you can offer that left hand underneath, and then we'll be ready to take the intermediate class. Thanks, you guys. Awesome job. Internet, give them a hand. Yay! Excellent. Nice job. Howdy, Internet. We are on the second half of our class review. We are doing cross hand, double cross hand, side by side moves. First one we had was our double cross hand basic, and it looks like this, our basic and promenade. Yep. Go ahead at your leisure. We're just doing basics forward. Yep, awesome. You were doing the slow first. You can do either one out there in Internet land. Then we had our flip through the middle. So you're just going to take your hands through, and now everybody's going backwards. Awesome. And then at your leisure, you can flip back to forwards again. Very cool. After that, we had our pass and rolling turn. So everybody's staying forward, but the followers are going to roll across and do a 360 turn to the other side of the leaders. Fancy. All right, awesome. That was our second class. And thanks for watching, Internet, and you guys are awesome. Nice job, you guys. Woo, okay. Dancing out into the sunset. We like it.